name's not actually Bert. Leaving home. Today's my twins' birthdays. Out of here for work. Everyone's still asleep today. And it's Monday. Woo! I love Mondays. Mondays are so good. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We got this.
Bruh.
Big day for you.
Alright. Let's start with our safety meeting. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Grant is... Oh, there's Grant. Hi, Grant. There's Britton. Wow. The customer loses respect for us when we do that. And so reading the manual is a really big help. We want to have a best practices culture. I swear. Yes, Bert?
What about making videos?
You can make videos.
I mean, is that really important for best practice culture?
Yeah, best practice culture. Yeah, I do. Some of Bert's recent videos. Multiple times. Yeah, his low voltage diagnostic video. Now, I knew that one would have a lot of derision, meaning people ripping it. And there actually hasn't been as much as I thought there would be. On social media, there's a little bit more, because there are multiple ways to skin that cat, and so everybody sort of has an opinion. But the way that he shows it is actually a really good way. Jesse's gonna make some great videos on setup thermostats. It's gonna be amazing. Look forward to those. They're gonna be good. I'm going through and doing a whole.
So, looks like Alex, Brian's firstborn, is getting right to work out here. Oh, no, just understand, it's been a very busy week for me. I mean, wow. What is that? It's not even legal. Have you seen the... Oh, my man. That's what a good helper is all about right there. Alright, here it is. Beginning of our day. My man, Alex Orr. Alex Orr.
That's right.
What a sled. Riding with me today. I'm gonna see what I can unteach him. It's gonna be good. Got a blank old thermostat, total 9. No batteries for this guy. Let's get his tool bags out. I don't think he noticed the door wasn't on tight. Oh, here he comes. No spoilers. No spoilers. Have you worked on a furnace? So this is your first furnace experience. All right, so blank thermostat. Any ideas yet? What you think it might be?
I'm thinking contactor, fuse, or breaker possibly. Up into the board inside here.
With a bare hand while power's on. He hasn't turned off the breaker yet.
You want me to?
Yeah. No power?
Ready?
Okay, power's on.
Alright, we got 121.
Alright, what does that tell us?
It tells us that we're getting power from the breaker there, so it's not the breaker or anything up to this.
Right on. It's pretty much got this figured out. I mean, we're really, really close.
Oh, I got this. Are you kidding me?
Really close.
Is it this switch? Oh, I know what the switch does.
Okay, what does it do?
It turns the unit off if you pull this thing off. If you
Okay.
pull the panel off.
Okay.
And the
So we had
panel,
the panel
panel is pretty sketchy.
Yeah. Big question is, with all that brilliant knowledge he already had, why was he checking for power down there on that board with the panel off? We'll never know, you know? Yeah. Okay.
But it's on, right?
Power's on right now.
Wouldn't it normally turn on?
Maybe. What about
Unless
time
time
delay?
delay.
Son of a gun. Would you look at that?
And now is the part of our show where we have a life lesson with Bert.
Life tip from Bert. Hold on. Let me finish this bite. Pack lunches. It'll change your life. Is that good? That wasn't a good life tip?
No, I thought it would be something real.
Yeah, that's not going to cut it.
What about healthy relationships?
Healthy relationships. Pack lunches. You'll get healthy relationships.
That's better.
I poured a little water in the drain to test it, and I'm wearing gloves. They're just clear, so don't worry about this. This is what we call elephant snot. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, come on, give me more. Wow, it's kind of gross.
Here it is, the aluminum coil microchannel. It's pretty cool. There's just something about the aluminum that sometimes you get situations where this clear algae stuff builds up that I call elephant snot. But yeah, there's other things going on here. There's just definitely just hasn't been maintained at all. Needs a cleaning. Who knows the last time this was touched. I'm gonna pour some water down so you can see it come out the drain.
Oh my gosh, that is gross. Yummy. It's clean now. Not quite.
I get to go home. It's like 5:30. Feels like an early day. Feels like vacation. Get to go home to my twins' birthday party. This guy gets to get out of here till tomorrow morning. Any final thoughts?
No.
No?
No.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We did it. So. It's been
Good day.
Good.
Good learning day.
Good.
Lots of stuff, actually.
Been a good day.
Yeah.
All right. We work a crazy ton of hours, and if we don't make time, even in the middle of our day, for our family, we start losing touch. I make sure my wife calls me or I call her about 3 to 7 times a day. Don't tell Brian I said that, but I'm serious. My wife calls, I'm gonna talk to her, find out what's going on. Anything funny happens in the house, I'm gonna get a call. Kids were crazy, this just happened, place is a wreck. Keeps me in touch.